So today I'm going to make something I've never made before. I'm going to try making Pakora naans. So I'm going to start off by peeling my potatoes. So I'm only going to use 2 really small potatoes for this. I'm just going to go and give them a wash. So instead of cutting the potatoes, I'm just going to use potato shavings. I'm going to use a really big bowl. I'm going to put them potatoes in there. Next up, I'm going to thinly slice some onions. Just going to give them a good wash. I'm just going to put the onions in there with the potatoes. So I'm going to finely chop some green chillies and some coriander leaves. I'm just going to add the coriander and the green chillies into the onions. Right, so I'm going in with some spinach. I'm now going to add some coarsely ground coriander seeds. Here we have some bishop's weed, some red crushed chillies, and salt to taste. I'm going to give that a really good mix. I'm now going to add some gram flour. Going to give that a really good mix. I'm now going to add some water to that. A little bit more. So that's going to release some water, so I'm going to let that rest for 10 minutes. And while that's resting, I'm going to make my special Imli sauce. I'm going to start off by finely chopping some red onion, so the rest of this recipe can be found in the description below. So I'm going to dip each naan into that pakora mix. So I think I'll get away with making 4 at a time. So I heated up the oil and cooked these for 5 minutes on each side on a high heat. So I'm just going to break one of them open. And don't forget to find this delicious Imli sauce recipe in the description below.